welcome back to another video. Basically today's gonna be like a little coffee run, like little POV, just kind of a vibe, like just vibing out. I do want to answer some questions in the comments, but if you guys are new, guys, make sure you subscribe right now. 50% of you guys are not subscribed, so make sure you guys subscribe right now if you're new. And if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. But pretty much, man, the algorithm is interesting, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like anyone that's like really wants to do YouTube, bro, it's a journey and it's really weird, bro. Like and discouragement comes, like, bro, it's so annoying. Like you gotta really, if you guys ever plan to do YouTube, do it for fun, guys. Like there's so many ways to make money, so many different ways. I wouldn't, like, YouTube is supposed to be for fun. That's what I'm trying to do for fun. But even then, it still kind of bothers me, dude. It's even then it still bothers me, bro. I don't know, man. It's definitely like a journey, bro. It's definitely a journey. Man, I keep forgetting not to go over the speed limit, bro, but it's just so fun. What is this guy doing, bro? I'm not going over the speed limit anymore, guys, because I need to, something I've been trying to work about. Pretty much, man, if you're gonna do YouTube, do it purely for fun. Don't have any expectations. There's so many different ways to make money, bro. So many different ways. But the one question I've been asked the most before, which was on my how I afford a Hellcat 21. But pretty much, you know, I answer a lot of the questions in the comments and stuff, but now I want to answer kind of like in the video, like kind of like casually. But pretty much what helped me get to where I am now was my dad had a small business, and you know, I started working with my dad probably since I was 12 years old, like every weekend, because we were really poor. We were super poor, so basically he didn't pay for any of the things I done, and I'm totally okay with it. I'm like, you know, every time he took me to work, he was like, yo, this is for the experience, like trust me, it's gonna pay off. And like, dude, when you're a kid, you're like, bro, come on, like I need money, bro, you know, I'm trying to buy some games, I'm trying to buy some chocolates. So it all comes with a grind. So since a lot of you guys are not gonna have the situation I'm in, what I recommend is join a company when you're like 16 or 18. Join a company that is in a good field of work, like whether it's something involved with like electrical or mechanical, and you're gonna get paid the bare minimum. You know, the good thing about your guys' situation is that you're gonna get, at least you're gonna get paid. I didn't get paid until I was 18 years old. So all those years of experience, I went homeschooled at 16 years old to work full time, literally to work full time to gain as much experience as possible. Oh my gosh. Wow, bro, wow. That was beautiful, man. I haven't done a pull like that, guys, in a minute, I'm gonna be honest. But pretty much, dude, you're gonna have to spend at least 2 years getting paid horrible, getting treated like trash, you know, and you're gonna want to give up. And that's pretty much how it's always gonna be, you know. But because I didn't give up, it was so hard, bro. When I was a kid, like, I didn't understand anything when I was a kid, bro. Oh my gosh, I didn't understand anything when I was a kid. So pretty much, dude, no matter what happens, no matter who hires you, no matter what apprenticeship you join, no matter what kind of academy you join, it's gonna be freaking hard. And to get there, to even like apply for, you need at least, like, I recommend at least minimum 1 year experience in something. Oh my, dude, like, I know people say this car is slow, but the power is what makes this car freaking amazing, bro. I don't care if it's freaking slow. You can feel the 800 horse, bro. You can feel that crap. I keep going on. I know every time I talk, bro, I just can't get my thoughts straight. But pretty much, bro, you're gonna want to join somebody that's willing to pay you little, but you learn a lot. You gain experience. Experience is what pays when you join other companies. That's actually how you get better jobs. Like, oh my gosh, there's a police cop. I need to stay away from that guy. That guy gives everybody freaking tickets. It's always the same freaking fool too. You want at least 1 to 2 years of experience, and don't focus on the pay, focus on the experience. With that experience, you could go pretty much anywhere. You know, you could join an apprenticeship if you want. Okay, hold up. Dude, there's a coyote during the day? A coyote during the day? What the heck, bro? Jobs are always looking for people with experience, because experience is what pays. Like, for example, my job I have, if you have like 5 years of experience, they'll pay you the same as somebody with a master's degree. They'll pay you the same as somebody with a master's degree. You know how insane that is? Sheesh, bro. I don't want to have to edit this. Sheesh, bro. But pretty much, dude, experience is what pays so fat. So even if you have 1 to 2 years, it's more than enough, bro. Like, I know people with bachelor's degrees, master's degrees, and they still can't get the job. Because you know why? They have 0 experience. That's what's so insane. Like, getting a degree is important depending on the field, but experience is what pays. So that's why I tell you guys, like, whatever situation you're in, a lot of you guys won't qualify for a job I have because you guys didn't get the experience. You guys didn't know about these type of fields. It's normal. It's part of the deal. But anyone that is fresh and young or wants to start now, just find a job that fits your criteria. Like, for example, I do electrical mechanical engineering. So electrical, in my opinion, is what actually pays more because no one knows how to do it. And people that do know how to do it are the ones that get paid the fattest because they can train others. And even then, the people that get trained, usually people quit. And it's a really, like, I noticed that a field where people rely on experience, people have a hard time finding good employees. So that's why if you could become a good employee, bro, every company will hire you. Like, my bad if I'm not getting my thoughts around it clearly, but it's basically just all based off, like, find a job that requires experience and get paid little for it. But because you get paid little, like, getting paid little is gonna suck, but that's what's gonna help you in the future, bro. That's what helped me. Oh my gosh, dude, the whole car just lifts, dude. Okay, I need to go to get coffee. What am I doing now? I'm talking too much right now. But I hope you guys get, like, you know, don't get discouraged, man. Like it took me 4 years to get here, guys. Like, I've been working in this field for 4 years. So I could say, like, man, I should have got a Hellcat 19. Like, the things I could have done all of that, but it's not necessarily worth to buy this car. Like, it's fun, it's great, but you have to buy it once you make a good amount of money. Like this car for me is, obviously, I tell you guys about, like, you know, business and all this stuff. So there's different, I don't want to say too much because there's a lot of, like, you need to talk to an accountant. But pretty much, dude, if you can find a way to do a tax write-off to things you do, like cars, or let's say you buy a truck or something like that. Like, there's so many business ideas, guys. Like, you can do anything. So you gotta brainstorm, but the number one focus, guys, don't get discouraged. It takes years. It took me 3 years to get to a place where I finally got, like, appreciated for my experience. Like, for 3 years, dude, I was getting neglected really hard. And that's fine. That's how it's gonna be, bro. That's how it's gonna be. But that's how when you push through, especially when you're young, you're gonna receive this the most. Once you get older, I think it's a little bit easier from what I've noticed. But if you're young and you guys are struggling, bro, like, freaking enjoy the freaking struggle. It's gonna help you get there, bro. It's gonna help you get freaking far. Like, for me, the one thing I'm really happy about is I was able to push through, even when it got freaking hard. Like, it gets really hard sometimes, bro. Like, I need to definitely someday, like, start live streaming so I can really, like, express myself, because I'm just gonna be talking. This video is gonna become too long if I tell the whole story. But one day. Sheesh, bro. I don't know if you guys noticed, I haven't really been doing as many pulls, like hard pulls. Like, I do pulls, but, like, when I'm, like, full throttle, it's been a minute. Mostly because, bro, like, when you're catless, you don't even need to anymore, bro. You literally don't even need to. Oh my gosh. I actually want to get, I forgot my freaking tripod. I want to get a video. I actually want to get a video of me doing a drive-by with my tripod, like, standing somewhere, but I freaking forgot it, dude. Dang it. I think I'm gonna still try to get it in by the end of the video, but first I just need to get my freaking coffee, dude. I forgot about it. This is a coffee run video. Oh my gosh. Dude, it does not get old. It doesn't get old at all. Is it worth the 100K? Probably not, but it's the only way you can experience it, you know what I mean? I wish these cars were cheaper, bro. Man, with taxes and everything, bro, it stacks up fast. I hope the angle's good. I really hope I'm still recording 60 FPS. Yeah, we're good. Let's get my freaking coffee, do some drive-bys outside drive-bys. Dude, I always be filming too much, bro, because I be talking too much, bro. That's freaking why. Oh my gosh, dude, I don't know. Damn, there's so many cars right now, dude. It's because probably think school just finished. Dude, oh man. Dude, it's too freaking loud. It's too freaking loud, bro. I don't know if it's like too loud over the phone, but bro, I kind of want to put my stock exhaust back with the mid muffler, just delete it. I wonder how it would sound with just the rear muffler. I'm trying to pop it right now. It's kind of hard. Downshifts are next freaking level. Dude, oh, dude, this is the one thing I hate about wearing a head mount, bro. My freaking head freaking looks goofy, dude. Like, for example, like there's like a rubber marks on my head because I just had it. It's whatever, dude. This is like a family-owned shop too, so dude, it's like, honestly, I don't know why the coffee here tastes better than Starbucks, bro. I freaking love this spot. About to get my vanilla latte, bro. You already know. Hello. Bro. Oh my freaking dude. You already know, coffee run at the freaking end of the video. But before I go, I want to start up, dude. Dude, when it's against a wall or something like that, it's nasty, bro. That's amazing. That's actually so amazing. But because I have a check engine light, bro, it doesn't stay, which sucks. Oh my gosh, bro. Coffee vibes, bro. If you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you guys subscribe. In my videos, I'm probably gonna be talking about like my work and how I got in and my experience, probably moderately every video, just because I feel like, you know, I wish I was able to hear things like that, you know, like there was a lot of times where I was about to give up for real, dude. But like I said, if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.